This is a cottage cheesecake that you can make as decadent or as healthy as you like. My grandma would be so proud. This is a traditional rustic cake that I grew up eating. It's basically a cheesecake made out of cottage cheese, so it's super high protein, very popular in Eastern Europe. This over a cheesecake any day. My mom used to make this for us growing up, and my grandma would bake it for my mom growing up, and of course I had to put my own spin on it for my daughter. I added both lemon zest and orange zest, which is what my mom does. It adds a beautiful nostalgic fragrance. Raisins or any kind of dried fruit is traditional, but you can leave it out. I've also made it with chocolate chips and it's really good. If you're looking for a pressed European style cottage cheese, you can find it labeled as farmer's cheese, Ukrainian cottage cheese, or tvorog. As a tip, the lower the milk fat, the higher the protein. It's the next day and the cake's ready. A little cracked, but that's okay. It's similar to a cheesecake in the texture. It's a little more crumbly. It's creamy and fragrant. It's barely sweet. Served it with sour cream and strawberry preserves. My mom, mother-in-law, and sister-in-law said this was the best version they've had, so you should try it and let me know.